So Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is happening on 9th of February, where it is expected to unveil the much awaited Galaxy S22 series, including the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now, thanks to past leaks, we almost know everything about the Galaxy S22 series as well as Galaxy Tab S8 series. Now, new leaks from South Korean leaker is showing everything else that we wanted to know and also confirming a lot of other leaks. So this new massive leak includes tons of images, likely from media briefing presentation. So the first and foremost thing is, we can see the display size as well as the color options of the Galaxy S22 and the S22 Plus. And if you want to know more about the Ultra model, then you can check out my recent video on that. The Galaxy S22 will feature 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate support. Even though it is not leaked here, but we have already heard that it will feature 1500 nits of peak brightness and razor thin bezels, and we can see the bezels thing. The Galaxy S22 Plus on the other hand will feature 6.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 1080p panel with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness with again razor thin bezels. Now both of these models will also feature Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection as well as glass back. The Galaxy S22 will be lighter, 167 gram. Now both of these phones will feature 4nm Exynos 2200 processor as well as Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, depending on the market. Now they are also showing the 5% CPU boost and crazy 40% GPU boost, and the most craziest 133% NPU boost, which was leaked in the past as well. Now this device will come with Android 12 out of the box with One UI 4 pre-installed, and we can see how they will flex this smart widget feature that lets you stack a few widgets on top of each other, just like iOS. But that's a good feature, I guess. Now these two models won't feature more than 8GB of RAM, but you will have option to choose between 128GB and 256GB of storage options. Now as for the cameras, we can see it will feature 50 megapixel primary rear shooter with f1.8 aperture as well as 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera and 10 megapixel telephoto with 3x optical zoom and OIS. Now at the front, both of these phones will feature 10 megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. Now we can see in these photos that they are talking about the previously leaked AI integration with the cameras using techs like AI registration, AI stereo depth map and adaptive pixels, thanks to the much improved NPU in the processors. Plus in this photo we can also see the Galaxy camera features like photo remaster, the object eraser, the pro video mode and director's view, nothing new. Now we can also see Samsung is also gonna brag about the space zoom. But on these two models, they will only support up to 30x space zoom using both the 3x optical and the 30x digital zoom as well as AI. Now as for the batteries, the S22 will definitely disappoint, at least in terms of specs. 3700 mAh battery, we've heard it in the past as well. The S22 Plus on the other hand will feature 4500 mAh battery. But we can see Samsung is banking on the 4nm chips that will be really efficient, and also both these phones will support 45 watt up to fast charging. But it is very clearly shown here that the adapter will have to be bought separately. But this time both of them will feature Wi-Fi 6E, which is capable of up to 2.4 GB per second download speed. Crazy good. Now we can also see how they will brag about the ecosystem things with a term like Galaxy Foundation and how the Galaxy devices works best with each other, as well as apps like Microsoft Office, Grammarly, Google Duo, Android Messages and stuff like that. Now the S22 Ultra will feature the Armor aluminum frame, but it's still not confirmed or leaked whether these two will get the same Armor aluminum or not, but I hope they will. But at least both of these phones will feature IP68 dust and water resistant rating. As for the price, we have already seen the price leaks in the past. €849 for the 828GB model, $899 for the 256GB model of the S22. The S22 Plus will start at €1049 for the base model and €50 more for the high storage variant. So if you want to know more about these two devices or even the S22 Ultra, then the links are down below or visit my website. And thank you for listening to me this long. I appreciate that. And yeah, my latest Mountain Series 1 wallpaper pack is finally here. The pack has 16 different very high resolution, close to 8K stunning wallpapers custom made for modern desktops, tablets, smartphones. So you don't have to crop, rotate or do stuffs like that. You can visit my website joindavid.com to check out, where you're gonna find a lot more tech news way faster than these videos. And definitely do hit the like button and do subscribe this channel as well. Until the next one, bye and take care.